This is the Leela Palace Jaipur, one of the most luxurious and expensive hotels in India. From the moment you enter, you know it's something special. Grand architecture, royal vibes, and service that's on another level. A single night here can cost over 50,000 Indian rupees. Yay, it's not cheap, but people don't come here just to stay. They come here to experience royalty, even if it's just a single day. The palace is inspired by traditional Rajasthani design. Domes, arcs, jharokhas, everything looks picture perfect. It feels quite peaceful and honestly a little surreal. The architecture here is a tribute to Rajasthan's royal heritage. Marble floors, hand-carved domes, grand courtyards. Every detail is a reminder that you are walking through living history. Honestly, it feels less like a hotel and more like a Sanjay Leela Bhansali film set come to life. Staff greets you like royalty. There is no rush, no check-in desk noise. Just calm floral scents in the air, Aarti style welcome, and sarangi music playing in the background. You're not just checking into a hotel, you're stepping into a different world. And now, let's see the room. The one that refines what 5-star luxury really looks like. Now, this isn't just a room. This is a private villa. Yes, we are staying in our own little palace inside the palace. The first thing you notice here is the space. It's massive. You are surrounded by greenery, stone walls, and that quiet that makes you want to just slow down. There is a royal-style bed laid out in the open courtyard as if waiting for a king to rest. It's spacious, quiet, and honestly, it feels like a dream. Inside, the room is massive. High ceilings, royal furniture, and warm lighting that just makes everything glow. The bed feels straight out of a 5-star fantasy. Soft, grand, impossible to leave. And the bathroom? Huge. You have got a full-sized bathtub, marble counters, luxury toiletries, and every amenity you can think of. It's not just a stay, it's pure indulgence. The interiors of this hotel are next level. From the moment you step inside, you're surrounded by luxury. Massive chandeliers hang like artwork, casting a golden glow across the marble floors. And Leela Palace in the evening organizes high tea and some cultural shows which you can experience in this particular location. And trust me, it's truly amazing. And then there is this view. The stunning Aravalli mountains right in front of you. Whether you're sipping chai in the morning or just soaking it all in by the pool, the vibe is unreal. The pool here is surrounded by silence, greenery, that never-ending mountain backdrop. It's peaceful, it's private, and honestly, it's kind of a place you don't want to leave. One of the coolest things here, the Leela actually gives you bicycles to ride around the property. The resort is huge, peaceful, and cycling through it is perfect way to explore. It's fun, relaxing, and honestly makes you feel more connected to the whole place. At night, the place turns into something truly magical. Warm lights glow across the courtyards, and the pool reflects stars above. And just when you think it can't get better, there is live singing near the pool. Soft, soulful music that makes you just sit back and smile. It's calm, it's intimate, and it stays with you long after you leave. The buffet here was honestly one of the best I ever had. There were so many options: Indian, continental, live counters, dessert. Everything looked premium and tasted even better. After the music faded, I went for a slow night walk around the property. The air was cool, the palace lights were glowing, and everything felt still. It's moments like these where you realize this place is more than just luxury, it's peace. And here is a little tip. If you visit during the off season, Leela often has amazing offers and discounted rates. You get the same royal experience but at a much better price. Thank you so much for watching this journey through the Leela Palace Jaipur. I hope you felt the beauty, the luxury and the calm that this place offers. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And I will see you in the next destination. Thank you.